A new requirement is being added to the test for acquiring a driver's license. Applicants will be required to provide, or rather to prove driving competence and road code knowledge through a driving simulator before driving on public roadways. The Transport Minister gave details at the first simulator was handed over this week. Over 437 persons have died in motor vehicle crashes since January. That's an average of more than one fatality per day. In a bid to make the roads safer, Transport Minister Robert Montague has presented a new test driving simulator to be used in the process of acquiring a driver's license. At the handing over ceremony for one of the simulators at the Swallowfield Examination Depot on Tuesday, Mr. Montague indicated that the simulator is part of the process to improve driving habits. Last year, a new system was implemented for persons to do a written test on the road code before being issued a learner's license.
85% of the persons who have taken the test have passed the test. So we are comfortable that the new people coming into the system know the road code.
He suggested that in addition to a lack of knowledge about the rules of the road, some new drivers may have learnt bad habits from other drivers.
And introducing the driving simulator into the thing now, so that once you finish the test, before you do the yard test, the inspector is going to put you on the simulator to ensure that you know how to control a vehicle.
The driving simulator system was developed by a local company, Play Jamaica Limited, at a cost of $5.4 million. It was created to simulate different driving conditions, including wet roads. Swallowfield is the first depot to be retrofitted with the system.
We have spent that as a pilot using Swallowfield, and we have gone one step further, Mrs. Dawn Smith-Fagan from the ministry. One step further. We are going to give one of these simulators to a selected high school as a part of the pilot. Because the more you can introduce Jamaicans to driving from school days, the better off we will be for road safety as the child gets older.
Additionally, Mr. Montague says, as Member of Parliament, he has used the Constituency Development Fund to purchase simulators for high schools in his St. Mary Western constituency.